Firefighters at work. It's 7 a.m. and these firefighters are going home. They have finished their shift. They have been at work since yesterday morning, and now they are tired. A new group of firefighters is just arriving, fresh and ready to work. What will their day be like? Their shift starts calmly with breakfast. Then they check their gear to make sure it's in good working order. If something is broken, they will fix it or replace it. They check the assignment board. Some school children are coming to visit today. Who will show them around? Suddenly, ding, 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 an alarm comes in. There's a fire in a warehouse. No one works slowly now. It's time to act quickly. The firefighters grab their gear and put it on as they race to the trucks. Is everyone ready? Yes, let's go. Lights flash and sirens scream as the firefighters speed to the fire. They find the hydrants, connect the hoses, and climb the ladder. The skilled firefighters extinguish the flames. Then it's back to the station, but there's no need for speed. There's time to eat and do chores until the next alarm.